In this video, we will show you how quick and easy it is to get the Archon out of the box and into the air for your first flight. In the box, you will find the Archon, transmitter, battery and charger, 5.8 GHz monitor, manual, prop guards, and spare props. Before doing anything else, be sure to read and understand the manual. It contains important safety information regarding the included lithium polymer battery, as well as other precautions when flying your Archon. Let's get the flight battery and monitor battery charging first. Plug the AC wall adapter in and connect it to the charger. Connect the battery to the charger, and you will see a red LED come on, indicating that it's charging. This LED will turn green when it's done. The monitor charges with any standard micro USB cable, such as the cable included with many different models of smartphones and tablets. Prop guards are included that will protect the propellers in case the Archon makes contact with something during flight. The guards aren't required, but they are recommended. The prop guards are simple to install. 3 screws are needed per prop guard. Install the included AA batteries into the transmitter. When the monitor is fully charged, fit it into the cradle on the transmitter. The sun shield is optional and can be removed when not needed. When the LiPo battery is fully charged, gather the Archon and transmitter and head outside to an open area that's free of buildings and people. Turn on the transmitter and move the flight mode switch to GPS hold. Slide the LiPo battery into the tray and connect it. Place the Archon on a smooth, level surface with the nose pointing away from you. The tail LED on the Archon will indicate the drone's current status. A flashing green LED means a compass calibration must be completed before flying. Calibrate the compass by first rotating the Archon in a level orientation until the tail LED changes from a fast flashing green to a slow flashing green. Now, rotate the Archon with the nose pointed down until the LED changes to red. Before your first flight, you will need to calibrate the accelerometers. Move both sticks down and to the right, and hold until the LED flashes red and green. Turn on the monitor and check that you are getting a clear FPV signal from the Archon camera. When the tail LED turns solid red, the Archon has satellite communication and the home position has been set. We recommend moving the dual rate switch to the low position for your first couple of flights. When you're ready to take off, start the motors by moving both control sticks down and inward. With the motors spinning, move the throttle stick up to get airborne. In GPS hold mode, the Archon will maintain both altitude and position when the control sticks are released. The Archon will only maintain its height in altitude hold mode and will drift with the wind if the control sticks are released. Use the buttons on the transmitter to take pictures or videos that can be saved to an optional memory card in the camera. For smooth video, leave the dual rate switch in the low position and be gentle with the control sticks. For more control authority or flying FPV, try moving the dual rate switch to the high position. To auto land, move the flight mode switch to home to have the Archon fly itself back and then descend until it touches down at the home position. The Archon will first climb to 8 meters if it is below that height when the home function is activated. During the return, the controls can still be used to steer the Archon out of the way of obstacles if necessary. Check out the Hobbyco Keep It RC YouTube channel for more tutorials and loads of other RC content videos.